Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Walker Puffs. And today, what the hell? Oh, ignore that. Today I bring you a special little video as I venture forth in the Chatroulette. But for some reason, everyone's giving me a weird look because I'm playing with my joystick. What are you laughing at? I'm on level 89 of Galaga. This is no laughing matter. This is the real deal. Oh, I got the power up. Yes. Bro, you guys just witnessed me beating level 89. You know what that means? Time for level 90. It's a hard one.
Oh my.
Yo, bro, you ever played Galaga before? Of course you have. You're a fucking hippie, man. Wait, move. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm sorry you caught me playing with my joystick. Oh, shit. Little did you know I'm playing Ninja Gaiden! Yeah! You didn't see that coming! Yo, this game of Galaga? Insane, bro! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Are you serious?
I just beat level 98! That's how serious I am! I just beat level 98! You missing this! You know what that means? Level 99! Oh yeah! This is a tough one! Bro! And this level of Galaga right here? Oh my god! Shit! This is the scariest game I've ever played in my life! Crap! Oh man! It does all the moves! This is crazy! Oh, yes! Oh man! Look at the graphics! They're so real! I feel like I'm actually playing a psychopath! This is crazy! Oh! Bro, you got to witness this! I beat level 98! I beat level 98! Oh my god! Level 99! Yeah!
Oh.
How did you know I was playing Contra? Man, you're just dodging bullets like a boss. Come on! Come on! This final boss is cheating! Oh, he's this freaking ninja? No! Oh, he's blocking everything! Ugh! Extra life! Let's go! I beat the game! I beat the game! Yo, you guys ever play Galaga? This game is hard! I'm like on level 97 right now, and I'm going ham! Oh, I got the double ship. Yo, bro, You ever play Galaga? This thing is insane!
Yo, dude, why the fuck you gotta look so stupid, dog? Hey, what the fuck is that shit, dog?
Yo, I'm playing Pac-Man, level 87.
Oh, you're playing a game?
I just beat it, man.
Just win, dude.
I just beat Pac-Man, level 87. You know what that means? You know what this means? Level 88. It's a hard one. It's so hard, man.
Why do I feel like you're a YouTube dude? Like, you're just faking shit. Oh my god, dude, you got me.
Man, that was a hard level. Yeah! It's a hard one. It's a really hard one if you didn't notice. You thought that was something else. Yo, this level of Galaga, I'm telling you right now. Oh man, it's a good one, man. It's a good level of Galaga. I'm on level 97.
Get to real life, man.
Bro. Oh shit! You ever played Pac-Man before? Game's crazy! Oh yeah, bro, just like that. Just like that, man. Yeah, this game of Galaga, bro, it's too intense. I'm on like a 20-hour gaming spree right now. You're missing out, I'm telling you. You see this sweat perspirating? It's real sweat. Oh man, you're about... Let's go ham. Let's both work out our wrists. Oh, our forearms, yeah. Alright, this is starting to be awkward, man. I have to go. This is so weird. This is the greatest game of Guitar Hero I've ever played.